Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Practical Hakka right here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 X 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係林集少。And today, we're going to continue on shopping, but this is something that everyone wants to achieve eventually. 每个人去买东西的时候，都是想要怎么样？杀价！
砍。
You always have to drive a bargain. Everyone wants to drive a bargain, right? When you go buy stuff. 所以今天我们就要教大家怎么用客家话来杀价。How do we drive a bargain in Hakka? 所以一开始一定会 complain 呢，哎呀，太贵了啦。
嘿呀。
It's way too expensive. That's the first thing you're going to say to all the shops that you come across, right?
太贵了哦。
这么简单啊？太贵了哦，这样子吗？
太贵了。
太贵了哦。Okay, that means it's too expensive. So the next thing you're gonna say is, "Can you make it cheaper?" 啊，能不能算便宜点？
算卡便宜点位啦。
哦，算卡便宜点位啦。
算卡便宜点位啦。
算卡便宜点位啦。
就算便宜一点啦。
听起来就是对啊，算我便宜一点了，好不好？
那海陆腔，有点接近，就算它便宜点位啦。
哦，好像比较直接的感觉。
对。
再讲一次。
算它便宜点位啦。
算它便宜点位啦。Okay, that's a different dialect. Okay, it all means please, cut the price a little bit. Or sometimes you might just directly ask, come on, is there a discount? So you would say, 没有打折吗？
冇打折黑么？
冇打折黑么？
然后讲话要耐，冇打折黑么？
我跟你讲，女人比较容易的这个杀价，就是会耐，你知道吗？
这样才可以杀比较多。
See, girls have the advantage of saying it in a tone where it's gonna soften the heart of most people when they ask that. But anyways, that means, isn't there a discount? Okay? Or sometimes the final thing you would do when you cannot drive a bargain, you're just gonna offer them something. 有可能会跟他讲说啊，就少个500块好了啦，比如买5000块就少个500块好了啦，对不对？
打9折，
打9折嘛，对不对？
減500幾元。
哎，怎么感觉在骂人啊？減哦，減是減，对不对？
对，減啊。
減 ，OK, that means reduce it by 500 NT。
500幾元。
500幾元。
好嘛？
好嘛？哦，又要塞奶了。
減500幾元，好嘛？
減500幾元，好嘛？ So there's a lot of ways to drive a bargain. Hopefully you learned a little bit in today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺自say張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.